Well, here we are. I got the printer most of the way wired up and assembled. I think now it is safe to say we can attempt a power on and see will she make any noises at me. So let's go ahead and do that. And let's see what happens. Wish me luck, guys, because this could go very, very wrong. This could go very, very wrong. Alright, guys, you ready? 1, 2. Holy shit. Dude, my computer. Holy shit, my computer tripped out. Let me see. Something just happened, guys. Holy shit. I tripped the power in my room. What the fuck? Dude. What the fuck? Hold on, guys. I just tripped the power in my room. What the fuck? That's crazy. Well, caught that on camera. Alright, guys. Well, let's go upstairs. Figure out what happened. Actually, it's actually downstairs. So let's see. 1 second. Guys, this is actually not funny. Let's try this again. Like, the only thing that works now is my bathroom light. This looks really bad, guys. The light flicked off, and I've never had this happen before. So, I am afraid. So let me try to just change the voltage on this thing. Try to turn it on again. And see what happens. I'm gonna try to change the voltage on it. Let's see if that works. Guys, I'm looking pretty bad right now. Printer's not turning on. My Wi-Fi's down. I'm gonna have to let somebody take a look at this way later down the road. I'm gonna have to put some money into it and see what's up with it. Well, that was test 1 of the printer, G-Tech, and it shorted the house up, so I'll see you guys in the next video. And I'll let you guys know what happened with all this. Peace, guys. Till then, I gotta try to go.